Ghost versus Framer, two popular website platforms, only one can claim the crown. Which one really delivers? On the left, the clean, open source Ghost. On the right, the visually stunning, no-code Framer. We're putting them head-to-head in real scenarios that creators and teams face: speed, flexibility, user experience, integrations, pricing, and more. Let's skip the marketing speak and zero in on what truly matters. Each area gets scored, so at the end, you'll know exactly which platform comes out ahead. And the winner might just surprise you. Let's get into it. Here's a quick overview of what we're digging into. We'll compare Ghost and Framer across price, speed, and performance, design and customization, ease of use, integrations, and all that good SEO and marketing magic. Ready? Alright, let's jump right into it. So first up, let's talk about price. With Ghost, you actually get a completely free self-hosted version, which is honestly a huge deal if you're comfortable with a bit of setup. Plus, their managed hosting is pretty affordable if you don't want to get your hands dirty. There are some advanced integrations you'd have to pay for, but overall, super budget-friendly. Now Framer? It has a pretty generous free plan to start with, and the whole pay-as-you-scale pricing thing is really flexible for new sites. But once you grow or want more advanced hosting, the price ramps up fast, and those usage-based bills can sneak up on you. So yeah, Ghost easily wins on price-friendly. Alright. Moving on, speed and performance. Ghost is really optimized for content delivery. Plus it runs on a super lightweight Node.js backend, so it's quick. Honestly, you might notice it slows down a bit if you pile on lots of third-party themes, but out of the box, solid. Framer, on the other hand, is super famous for its static site speed. Like, it deploys to the global edge, so your site's basically fast everywhere all the time. Only catch is, if your site's a design-heavy monster, that speed, well, it might not be a snappy monster. That speed, well, it might not be as snappy. But overall, both these platforms are pretty darn fast, so let's call this category a tie. Okay, design and customization. This is where you'll see a big divide. Ghost has a bunch of themes you can buy or use, and if you love Markdown and don't mind dipping into code, you can do a lot. But deep changes, you're probably going to need some developer skills. Framer, meanwhile, is like, wow, the WYSIWG editor is next level. You get total visual control, cool animations, full-on prototypes, the works. But heads up, you can't really go under the hood with custom code, which might bug some advanced builders. Still, Framer totally runs away with this one for sheer creative freedom. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Ghost was actually started by ex-WordPress developers who were, get this, totally frustrated with old-school blogging tools. That explains why it feels so different, right? Now let's talk ease of use. Ghost is just so simple for writers, content teams, anyone who wants a clean, no-fuss interface. But yeah, if you're going the self-hosted route, you're going to have to figure out server stuff, which can be annoying if you're not technical. Over in Framerland, it's full drag and drop, no setup headaches whatsoever. Just start building. It does get a bit overwhelming if your project gets too complex, but honestly, for most people, Framer is way easier to pick up and run with. So, another win for Framer here. Integrations are next. Ghost seriously brings it, tons of CMS and analytics plugins, solid APIs, and plenty of membership or email options. Some integrations cost extra, but the sheer range is impressive. Framer? It plays super well with Figma and design tools, and you can embed stuff, but yeah, the business side integrations are kind of limited. So if you want tons of plugins and connectivity, Ghost is hands down the winner in this round. Now, SEO and marketing major category if you want your site to actually get seen. Ghost has basically everything baked in. SEO tools, email newsletters, built-in membership, and even AMP support. Sure, the advanced stuff takes a bit more setting up, but it's all right there. Framer gives you clean code, you can edit your meta details and OG tags, and it's super fast for mobile, which Google loves. But its blogging and newsletter features are nowhere near as deep as Ghost, so Ghost snags another win for anyone who cares about content marketing. If you look at the radar chart, you'll see both Ghost and Framer shine in different areas. Ghost crushes it for price, integrations, and SEO, while Framer is a beast when it comes to visual design and overall ease of use. So, here's my honest take. If you're building a site that's all about writing, publishing, newsletters, all of that content-heavy stuff, Ghost is honestly a home run. If you want a drop-dead gorgeous interactive site and never want to touch a line of code, Framer is honestly unbeatable. It's all about what you want for your next project. Hey, if this breakdown helped you out, make sure to follow for more Pro Tool reviews. You never want to miss your next stack